going to do some physical activity. Why? Why do you think we should do physical activity? Well, it's really important to maintain and keep our bodies healthy. When we eat food, when we eat our healthy food, we also need to use that energy in a healthy way. The food is going to give us the energy that we need to play and learn. And then we need to use our muscles and get our heartbeat going up. It's going to help us to maintain a healthy body. We should try to get 60 minutes of physical activity every day. And I know this is very difficult right now, but I'm going to give you some ideas of things you can do at home, of how we can stay active and physically healthy, moving our bodies. So let's start today.